yeah, got shut off. Put it back in the box.
Got the TQ eye controller. Don't know how much range on it, but shit don't feel too premium. Side should have felt better than that, but you know how it go. Let's move on. Let's move on. Let's bring the big boy out. Fuck the bullshit. Move this box out the way. And we have it. Brushless Traxxas Revo. That Castle Mamba on here. You dig? Let's get all this wrapper off. Try to make this short as possible. This video is being shot with the DJI Osmo Mobile, courtesy of the Galaxy Note 5. Y'all got any questions? Y'all know what to do. Hit me up in the comments below. You dig? So I'm just gonna hold this up. I'll give y'all a look at it. Got the blue version. That motherfucker got a nice, pretty shine on him, don't he? Yeah. I'm gonna pull his body off so y'all can see what the inside look like. Woo! Got that big Castle Mamba motor. Fully equipped, ready. It's a beast right here. Yeah. Electric, no gas. I did the 3.3 back in the day. So this is the next step here. Yeah. Only thing I didn't get was the fucking wheelie bar. So give y'all a close-up look. Yeah. By Traxxas. Give y'all a look at the bottom. Got the big rims.
Like mine.
There y'all have it, man.
Everything?
The Traxxas Revo E brushless. You know what? Got a bag full of shit right here. Spur gear. Man, this shit got all kind of shit in here. We got the tools, we got the screws, we got the shocks. We got some oil in here, of course the books. We don't read books around this motherfucker. We just get right to it, you feel me? So yeah, hit your boy up in the comments, stay tuned for more videos. Especially when I turn this motherfucker up at a park somewhere, we're gonna do it. Hit your boy up in the comments. Yeah, I'm out.